In today's video tutorial I will show you how to crochet unusual square motif with flower in the center. For work you need 2 balls of yarn and a crochet hook. Let's begin the work. Make a chain of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And join the chain in the round by working a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. The ring is ready. Chain 3 to bring up the yarn. Then chain of 3 by pattern. Make double crochet into the ring. Then chain of 3, 1, 2, 3, and double crochet into the ring. And I will alternate with chain of 3 and double crochet into the ring. I have done 3 stitches. Then you should continue working in this way till the end of this round. Then you should crochet 4 more such stitches. I'm about to complete this round. After the last stitch I did 3 chains and now work with the slip stitch into the 3rd chain stitch. Here how it looks. Then make a slip stitch into the chain space. Make chain to bring up the yarn for the next round. Then chain of 4 by pattern 1, 2, 3, 4. Make treble crochet into the chain space 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then chain of 4. Make single crochet into the same chain space. The first petal of the flower is ready. Then single crochet into the next chain space. Chain of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 3 treble crochet into the same chain space. 1, 2, 3, then chain of 4, and single crochet into the same chain space. The second petal is done. Make single crochet into the next chain space, then chain of 4, make 3 treble crochet into the same chain space, 1, 2, and 3. Then chain of 4 and single crochet into the chain space. Continue working in this way till the end of this round. Let's complete this round together. Make single crochet into the same chain space, and to complete this round work with a slip stitch into the chain stitch at the beginning of this round. I have already cut off the yarn and my flower is ready. Now I change color of yarn. Now I'm working with brown color of yarn. Now I'm working with this stitch. Insert the hook from the back to the front. Make a chain of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then chain of 5 by pattern 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then yarn over the hook 3 times. Make back post, double treble crochet stitch. For this, insert the hook around the next stitch from the back to the front and make double treble crochet stitch. Here what we have: chain of 5, yarn over the hook 3 times, continue, make back post, double treble crochet stitch. Chain of 5 and make back post, double treble crochet stitch. Continue working in this way till the end of this round. 5 chains and back post, double treble crochet stitch. Let's complete this round together. After I have done the last chain space, insert the hook into the 5th chain stitch from the beginning and make slip stitch. Round is done. Let's look at our round. Let's begin the next round. I continue working on my square motif. Make a slip stitch into the chain space. For this, chain 3 to wing up the yarn. 1, 2, 3. Make 3 double crochet into the chain space. 1, 2, 3. Then chain of 3. Make 4 double crochet into the same chain space. Insert the hook into the next chain space. Make 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make 4 double crochet into the next chain space. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then chain of 3. Make 4 double crochet into the same chain space. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Well done. Make 6 double crochet into the next chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. Let's complete the last round. I have done 6 double crochet stitches, and now to complete this round, insert the hook into the 3rd chain stitch at the beginning of this round by working a slip stitch. My square motif is ready. In the second part we continue the work. In the next part of this video tutorial I will show you how to join 2 motifs together in large piece of work. Thanks for watching.